Hi, Kevin with IPC Eagle. Today we're going to talk about our CT30, one of our compact scrubbers. This is an 18-inch, 8-gallon auto scrubber that can be used in healthcare, education, industrial, virtually anywhere. The machine is available with a nylon brush, or you can pick a pad driver and put whatever pad you'd like to match the application that you're cleaning. So let's take a look at the battery pack. Simply remove this hose and lift the recovery tank. The machine has two 12-volt batteries, making it a 24-volt system. You get 2 hours of run time and over 25,000 square feet on a single charge for cleaning. In front of that, you're going to find the vac motor and the brush motor, and everything is inside your 8-gallon solution tank. All of our products at IPC Eagle have an easy spin on and spin off brush. To put it on, we simply go over the brush, activate the power, and it's on. Okay, now that we have our brush on and solution in the tank, let's clean. When using this scrubber, favor the right side of the machine, as by design the head is actually offset to the right, getting closer to the edge. So that's the CT30. For additional information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.